We're here in a 2-bedroom villa at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort, a Disney Vacation Club property here in Orlando, Florida. Do you want to see what one of these 2-bedroom villas look like? Well, stick around. I'm going to take you on a tour of ours right after this. All right, so when we step into this 2-bedroom villa here at Disney's Saratoga Springs at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida, kind of just a little small entryway, kind of the full 1-bedroom side with the living room, the master bedroom, the patio, all of that stuff, that's over here. But first I actually want to go over here and take a look at what is kind of the guest bedroom. This isn't a lock-off unit, it is a dedicated 2-bedroom. So we'll just head in here, take a look. Looks like here they have some hooks on the wall, so if you have some jackets, some coats, some sweaters you want to hang up, you can do that. But I do see kind of a small closet here. It's actually a pretty big closet inside here. Just some room for some storage. You can hang some stuff if you brought your own hangers. And then down here they do have a vacuum cleaner. Before we get too much further into the video, I want to talk to you about DVC Shop. If you're planning a visit to Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida, you'll want to check them out. At DVC Shop, you can find confirmed reservations here at Disney Saratoga Springs or any of the Disney Vacation Club resorts. You'll find fantastic deals over Booking Direct. They're ready and waiting to book your perfect stay in a DVC villa. And if after your stay, you're finding yourself wanting to purchase into Disney Vacation Club, then look no further than buying resale through DVC Shop. Or if you happen to be a DVC owner, you can rent or sell your points through them as well. To check availability or learn more, click on the link in the description below, the first pinned comment, or scan the QR code right here on the screen and head over and start enjoying the many great deals from DVC Shop. I'd like to thank DVC Shop for sponsoring today's video from here at Disney Saratoga Springs. Now let's continue with the villa tour. And then coming in here a little bit further, we do have the bathroom, so double vanity there, really nice big mirror there as well. Not a whole lot of light, but still not too bad. You do have a makeup or shaving mirror there. So yeah, really nice double vanity. And then over here, you do have kind of the Disney soap and body lotion. And then just inside here, where we'll find the toilet, as well as a bathtub shower combination. Yeah, so you have a nice bathtub here, not too big, but you do also have an overhead shower as well as a hand wand there. So that's really great. And then here on the wall, you do have your pump, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Little shelf there also to put a bar of soap on if you have it. So now heading back out here, let's just take a look in this closet right here. Nice, really big closet. Again, room for some storage. This one does have some hangers in it, and it also has some extra bedding up there as well. So some extra pillows and blankets. So now let's head in here and kind of take a look at the guest bedroom. You have a really nice big dresser here. I'm noticing some exposed USB and power. More power down there. Some nice lighting in here. Big flat screen television up on the wall there. Then just over here, you do have 2 kind of queen size or double beds. Nice little nightstand there in the middle, again with some exposed USB and power. And I'm noticing plenty of storage under here. So if you kind of need a place to put that luggage after you've unpacked, you can kind of just scoot it in under the bed there. Then we have a really nice window here. It's really bright on the other side of that. But we'll get a look at our view here in just a moment when we take a look at the patio here at the end of the video. So yeah, really nice guest bedroom here. And it looks like they also have a ceiling fan. So now we've seen the guest bedroom. Let's walk over here to the other side. We'll look at the dining room, kitchen, and living room area next. So yeah, you have kind of a small dining room table here just for 4 people. I mean, you might be able to squeeze 5 people on the bench there, but still relatively small. Not a whole lot of seating in here in the dining room area, at least, for a room that probably sleeps up to 8 people. You have kind of some neat little mirrors on the wall there. And I noticed one is in the shape of a kind of a hidden Mickey there, or a Mickey. So that's kind of really cool. And then over here we do have the kitchen. So just a small little kitchen here. Not a whole lot to get excited about, but I'm sure they have just about everything we need. Let's just take a look here in the refrigerator and freezer. Nope, that side doesn't open. The opening's over here. But yeah, here we have a freezer. Unfortunately, no ice makers in these units. I'm not really sure what they were thinking. Of course, there's no water on this side. The sink's behind me. If you're gonna put it in a big refrigerator and freezer like this, you need to find a way to get an ice maker in here. Let's just take a quick look inside the refrigerator. Kind of your standard refrigerator and freezer, though definitely lacking that ice maker. And of course, we do have a microwave oven, range oven here as well. And let's see if they have anything down under the oven. See if we can open this up. Nope, that's actually where we're going to find, looks like a great big pot. There's the lid of the pot, as well as some frying pans underneath there. It looks like non-stick skillets. And in the oven here, it looks like they have a couple of baking sheets. Now let's take a look inside some of these cupboards here. Those apparently don't open. What about this here? I don't think that's supposed to open. It's just not connected right there. But let's look over here. Yeah, we have some bowls and some really, really tiny, I guess, juice cups there. Then in here we do have some glassware, so some larger cups and some smaller glasses. And over here we have some dinnerware, some wine glasses, looks like maybe a serving platter up there. Over here looks like our coffee mugs, some small plates. And then over here we do have some baking and cooking dishes, serving bowls, measuring cup, storage containers, and there's a big colander up there, as well as looks like maybe a salad bowl. Let's get all of those cabinets closed. Look at that, all nice soft closed cabinets. So you're not waking people up in the morning when you're out here cooking breakfast, opening and closing cabinets. You know, the dishes inside rattle when you close them, they slam, wakes people up early in the morning. Now let's take a look at what's under the countertops here in these drawers. This looks like it's all of our kind of cooking utensils. There is a corkscrew down there, whisk, ladle, serving spoons. There's also a can opener and bottle opener. Then over here, that's where we're going to find our silverware or utensils. Let's see what's under here. Oh, looks like we have some more pots, so some pots for cooking, and there's some kitchen supplies there too, as well as a cutting board. And under the sink, looks like just where we're going to find trash and recycling. Up on top of the countertop here, we do have some kitchen supplies, towel, looks like that's actually dish soap there. And then over here, we have what is actually an ice bucket. So maybe when you get some ice made, you can put it in that, maybe store your ice in there. There's some coffee supplies, coffee cups, and a Cuisinart coffee maker, as well as paper towels. And over here, we have the toaster. Now let's just take a walk in here and take a look at the living room. You do have your telephone. You kind of have your Alexa or Siri or whatever the Hey Disney thing is there. We've actually never tried to actually use that in all of our stays here at Disney Vacation Club Resorts. But yeah, they also kind of have some cute decorations here. This here is not a pull-out sofa. This is actually a Murphy bed. So pull down on that there, folds down. Really, really nice Murphy bed in here. You do have this kind of really neat coffee table there. And here, what actually looks like it might be storage is another Murphy bed. Kind of just pulls down into a small kind of bed that would be good for maybe a small child or maybe a teenager, but that might be pushing it. There's kind of this really cool artwork on the wall back there. Goofy, I wouldn't necessarily say he's riding the horse. You know, he's got a pillow there, he's reading a book, he's kind of just relaxing there, sitting on the horse. But that's really, really neat. So yeah, kind of a Murphy bed there. And then we'll just close that up. Take a look at the great big flat screen television. And there's even more exposed USB and power. Both ends of the Murphy bed here that's underneath the television in the living room have this here. Really, really handy. And then out there is our patio, but we'll take a look at that here at the very end because next we want to make sure we take a look at the bedroom. So walking in here to take a look at the bedroom, first thing we're going to take a look at here is our in-room laundry. So great to have a washer and dryer here, stacked washer and dryer. We also have a laundry basket that kind of folds down, some laundry detergent there, and there to give you an idea of what the washing machine looks like. So yeah, really great to have in-room laundry. In here is part of the bathroom, but we'll look at that here after we take a look at the master bedroom. So really, really nice big bedroom here. Nice big king full-size bed. You do have a couple of nightstands, exposed USB and power here on the lamps, and also really neat artwork there on the wall. And I'm noticing kind of this towel design here. It's in the shape of a Mickey head. How cool is that? Down at the end of the bed, you do have a dresser, as well as another television up there on the wall. And I'm noticing actually a lot of exposed USB and power. I'm loving this place. This is actually on the end of the dresser. And there is a small chair over here in the corner. And again, lots of light in here with these windows here too. But yeah, really, really nice kind of master bedroom here in this 2-bedroom villa at Disney's Saratoga Springs. Now let's go in here and we'll take a look at the bathroom. So this is kind of split into 2 sections. You kind of have a vanity out here. There's another vanity in there, shower and toilet that we'll look at here in just a moment. Nice bathtub here. No jets, nothing like that, just kind of your garden style tub. You do have a single vanity, as I pointed out. And then in here, we do have kind of a little walk-in closet. You do have an ironing board, and it's also where you're going to find the in-room safe. So now let's go in here and take a look at kind of the other area of the bathroom. Like I said, another single vanity, nice walk-in shower here. Let's just take a look in there. So not really too big, but not too small. Overhead shower head, as well as kind of a handheld wand, and your pump, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash there as well. And then we'll just take a quick look here in the water closet. So really big room in here, lots of room in this water closet. You just have, of course, your toilet. So now what we've seen inside the villa, it's time to make our way back through here. And we're gonna walk out and take a look at this patio. Oh, and I should point out as we're walking through the living room here, they do have a ceiling fan in here as well. And it doesn't look like this actually completely closed. So let's get that closed up and we'll walk out here and take a look at the patio. Let's unlock all these switches, there we go. Yeah, small patio out here, nothing really all that big. You do just have 2 chairs and a really small patio table there. We just have kind of a nice little courtyard view here from our building, which I believe is building 6 here in the paddock section. And a really nice view down here. Walking path out there that goes around that small pond. Really, really nice view. It's really hot out here though on the patio here on a July afternoon here in Central Florida. Lots of humidity, lots of heat. But if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps out these videos. And if you want to see another video from here at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort, I urge you to check out this one right here. It's actually going to be a little bit different than my normal resort tours. I'm going to take you around the resort, show you a number of different things, talk to you about some tips, as well as provide you with some information about the different sections and where you might want to consider staying when you're here at Disney's Saratoga Springs. And also, thanks for watching. And remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.